Welcome to the Kimpton RiverPlace Hotel, located on the Willamette River in Portland, Oregon. The Kimpton RiverPlace is one of two Kimptons here in Portland. This one is just close enough to the city, yet far enough away to get away from the hustle and bustle. Tonight we'll be staying in the Columbia River Suite.
So it's very clear the first view that you see when you walk in is the gorgeous river view. Now, one thing is really cool here at the Kimpton is that you can adopt a plant while you're staying here. So today we have Carrie. She's our new plant for the day. So what Kimpton is doing is they are taking plants and putting them inside of hotel rooms in order to make people happy, because plants make people happy.
We have a beautiful king-size bed, along with a couple amenities for Daisy.
My second favorite place here in the room is our open closet. Now, what makes this closet very unique is not only does it come with a robe, it does come with an umbrella and a yoga mat, along with your traditional safe and extra storage space, pillows and blankets. Now, this is the best part of any room, is the bathroom. Come check this bathroom out. This has the most amazing view in this shower, which is also a soaking tub. Come in here. This shower is huge, and it's got a giant soaking tub with a view of the Willamette River. Who could ask for more?
Who is that? There's somebody at the door.
Now, if you're traveling with your dog, this is the best place to be, as there's no restrictions and no fees. You can also enjoy complimentary access with their WAG Premium program, which gives you 10% off any services such as veterinary professionals, pet walking, boarding, or pet sitting. All you have to do is leave your key with the front desk.
What did you get, little girl? They brought you the plushy bed? My gracious. You are so lucky.
Whether you're staying for a day or multiple days, as a single or as a family, the Kimpton RiverPlace has plenty of amenities for all. And in case you're looking to be a little bit more social, they do have a social hour between 4 and 6 with beverages and light snacks that are accompanied by a chef program. But if you're interested in getting out and exploring a little bit of Portland, we've got a few ideas for you.
yummy?
Amazing. There's some kind of sweet butter on here. Maple butter. It's really good.